my name's Lissy from Stafford Motor Match, and today I'll be giving you a 360 exterior and interior tour on this Hyundai TUCSON 1.6 T-GDi Premium SE, which is a petrol manual. All our Motor Match cars come with a 30-day warranty or a 1,000-mile warranty depending on which comes first. However, we also offer an RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years, which is available with most of our cars, as well as flexible finance packages. If you'd like to inquire about this car, you can contact us on 01785 899 474. To start off with, then you have bi-LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions, along with 19-inch alloy wheels and a multi-spoke design with a two-tone finish, contrasting very nicely against the blue exterior colouring of this car. Panning up the car, you are able to see the privacy glass located in the rear and cargo area. As we open up the back seats, passengers travelling in the back have access to a charging port. You can also see the black leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide a dual cup holder for either passenger, or you can fold it away to carry that fifth passenger. And as we move around to the boot, this is in fact a powered boot lid, meaning you can open the boot by a simple press of a button on your key. Once open, you can see you have a huge amount of boot space. You could easily fit in a pushchair, several large suitcases, or perhaps even a set of golf clubs. To close the boot, you simply press the button and the boot will shut itself for you. If need be, you also have roof rails, which can help further expand your storage even more. As well as this, you do have keyless entry, making it easier to lock and unlock your car. Once in through the driver's side, you're able to see your multifunctional steering wheel, your driver information panel, and of course your entertainment system. You also have leather finishings found on the dash, matching the seat upholstery. You also have a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the car. That's it for your interior and exterior tour. Let's head inside for some of those high-tech features. So to start off with, then you have your electronic window and wing mirror controls, as well as your other safety features such as blind spot assist and lane keep assist. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you will find your cruise control options, allowing you to travel at a constant speed, along with your hands-free options, volume controls and voice control. Take a look at the dash. You can see that this car is on 22,350 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your entertainment display, you are able to find Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, supported via a USB, DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suitable for everyone, a navigation system to help you plan any journey you may take in this car, and of course your 3D surround cameras, which allows you to see almost every angle of the car, making manoeuvring and reversing much easier. So as I said before, you can pick certain angles you can see from, just making it much easier and safer for you to manoeuvre. Located beneath that, you do in fact have your dual climate control, where you can easily adjust the temperature, airflow, and of course the air direction suited to both you and your passenger. The front seats are heated seats, as well as ventilated seats, which is brilliant for both those cold and warm months, and you also have a heated steering wheel. Beneath that, you do have your aux port, two 12-volt sockets and a USB, and a handy charging pad to keep your mobile device charged whilst on the go. As well as this, you do have your different driving modes, such as sport or normal, and of course you have your dual cup holder and a handy centre storage compartment. Thank you for watching this video on this Hyundai TUCSON 1.6 T-GDi Premium SE, which is a petrol manual. All our Motor Match cars come with a 30-day warranty or a 1,000-mile warranty depending on which comes first. However, we also offer an RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years, which is available with most of our cars, as well as flexible finance packages specifically tailored to you. All Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 administration fee. Included in this is a provenance check. For a personalised quote or to book a test drive, you can contact us on 01785 899 474.